What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today I had two trades. First trade was a mess up because I thought I set the stop loss, but I actually didn't. So the trade actually ran against me a lot, down to like a $84 loss. As soon as I saw it and realized that I didn't get stopped out, I manually closed it. From there, what would you say? A little bit later, the price went a little lower before coming back up. Granted, nah, I would have still been in a loss, maybe taken a smaller loss, but still, I would have still taken a loss. And let's get into it. So I had a buy side trade. So overall, I was wrong on the direction. Today was a nice sell side day. Could have caught that right down until the end of 12 o'clock and then closed out. After that, I had entered a sell, right? And then when I could see that the market was probably going to reverse and come back against me, I decided it's best for me to just move my stop loss to break even. And that's how I had that second trade close there for basically break even. So let's get into them. I can see where the strategy can play out well. I'm working on a strategy, fine tuning it. Less trades per day, guaranteed. Looking for specific times, despite I'm in a trade right now, but looking for specific times and indicators to have me enter into the market. So let's see how that works before I kind of start to display it here. But I entered this buy side trade right here. And you can actually see that I'm trading US30. So why I decided to probably move to US30 versus the Nasdaq is because I can see where it forms a lot more structure before moving, whereas Nasdaq is like very wiki before giving you a nice move, which I don't like. I'm not a big fan of. So think that will come in advantage to my strategy because I was looking at it this weekend where it was like Nasdaq moved up, but US30 had like a lot of range before moving up, which is something that's positive. It's not gonna allow you to blow your account once you have something like that and you know where it's going. Versus Nasdaq, that's probably gonna wick down and stop you out, and then you you can't win there. Essentially, that's what I have to say. It's possible, but I'm just going probably training wheels on US30 first. So this was my entry and my stop. You know how it goes when it comes to these platforms. They're not showing me exactly what I want to see here. I want a US30 that has that 8 o'clock time, the price a little bit higher at 38764. I wish I could just show the chart from funding pips here, but unfortunately I can't. DJI30, let me see if there is anything. See if this shows it better. No, that's showing you. This is showing you the ETF, so it's not gonna show you that pre-market data. So US30, let's see, 8 cap. Nope. None. It's like none of them actually shows you the price that funding pips is showing you, and I find that kind of scammy, to be honest. I don't like that because there's nothing that I can really chart off of because all the prices seem slightly different here. I don't like that. Definitely need to probably get to futures as soon as possible because this is some BS, man. But anyways, I'll just mock it up and then you can see there's going to be a little variation between when I enter. My stop loss might show. My stop loss is definitely going to show, but my entry is not going to show very well. So this was my entry 387464, and let's put my take profit at 38900, and then my stop loss was 38522.4. Right? So I entered here or here basically on this candle. And then I got stopped out on the 11 candle, which was this one. You can see it's much lower. So there's a guarantee that I would have gotten stopped out. If you were to flip this, I would have been able to take some profits at 12 o'clock, check my phone, lock in some profits, and move on. So today was just a wrong day, and it happens. The next one, I entered a sell, and I entered a sell after my position got stopped out, or after I manually closed out the position. I entered the sell at 38521.4. So you can say my take profit probably would have been here, and then my stop loss was, I moved it to break even. So we can't even see where my take profit was, and I'm not sure how they calculated by tips, especially since I went in with a 0.07. So let's just say I was probably at maybe 600, maybe. But then you can see I basically got stopped out where I entered because I moved my stop loss to break even. So the moment that price started to actually come back against me, that was at 2 p.m. here. You can see this is the 3 p.m. candle. This is some bullshit. This is the 3 p.m. candle. But at 2 p.m. I actually got stopped out when the price came back up to my entry price. And let's go into the watch list stocks now. I'll find which broker matches the price best. I don't know when it became so different. It used to be very, used to show always on the chart, and all of a sudden it's just not showing, which I don't like. I find that suspicious. Let's get into Bitcoin now. So Bitcoin is a little bit higher than last week's close on Friday. Not crazy higher like the usual 2K, 3K. It's up like about $1,000. Tesla, what did Tesla do today? Tesla did nothing today. That's what it's funny. Price might move up pre-market, but then it sells off and comes right back to probably where you closed last week. So Tesla is at 176. We have IMMR. IMMR was going up great last week. We're having a little sell off, which is normal. It's just a little exhaustion sell off, I would say. So you just sold off, come right down. There's possibility to make money on this if you had maybe a stock funded account. But options, I hate options when it comes to these, because imagine a move like this, you can't, I don't know what you're gonna do with some moves like these. This move alone will kill your IV. Just this move. You need a convicted move to get money from IV and everything that has to do with options. You can actually see bid farms here coming a little higher at 2.32. But look at these candles, bullshit candles. Look at these candles. A lot of wick, a lot of unsurety. So it's up 10 cents from last week, so not much. Nvidia, what are you up to this week? Still trailing higher, continuing up on the market. Is nobody paying attention to this? Nvidia is still going higher, which is nuts. AMD, I know you're just shitting on yourself over there doing nothing at 163. I hate these sympathy stocks because they really showed their ass by just showing that they're not the same as Nvidia. Granted, Nvidia is moving up from the stock split catalyst and everything else, but still, all of these other chip companies are showing that they don't have what Nvidia has, like at all. So the market isn't rewarding them at all. So I would say Nvidia going up still. Bitcoin slightly higher. Everything else same. MMR exhaustion. Overextended exhaustion. That's what I have to say about this video today. I'll see you in the next one. Let's actually look at a trade I have currently on the Dow Jones, so you can see my entry, my exit. And the Dow Jones is the same as US30. 30 stocks, industrial stocks and bank stocks, I believe, versus the Nasdaq that has more Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, Apple, etc. And then the S&P 500, which is has just about all of the stocks that are in the US30 and also the Nasdaq 100. Is this them coming to stop me out? Because I entered no, actually entered a buy here. So I should be in profits. Let's see. I'm gonna refresh and we'll see if I'm in profits. But let me try and just mark it out here. So I entered a buy on the 7 candle. So this was this one. Once I'm not knocked out, you can see where I would probably be in profits. No, so I entered at 38645. Where would my take profit be? I'm not sure. I would think 900, and then my stop loss is 38545. See, I don't have such a big stop loss. Well, this isn't accurate anyways. I hate this format. Because why are you doing that? You can see I'm only down $1 now. And I'm gonna see if I can find a way to display the charts using whatever funding pips is using, because I don't like this. It's not showing me accuracy that I can display here for you guys. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.